How to cancel LinkedIn Premium subscription. To cancel your premium subscription of your LinkedIn, first and foremost, open up a web browser and head to your LinkedIn. To log into your account, go ahead and enter your credential. Once you are successfully logged into your LinkedIn account, you have to click on your profile picture, which will be at the top right corner. Under Account, you will see the option of Premium Subscription Settings. Tap on the option. Then you will see this new option of Switch Plans, Change to Monthly Plan and Cancel Subscription. Since we want to cancel our premium subscription, tap on the option of Cancel Subscription. Once you tap on it, you'll be redirected to a new page. In there, you'll be offered a discount or other perks to stay within premium. If you are sure about canceling, select Continue to Cancel. Then you have to select a reason for cancellation. This is optional, but you can select any reason or even type in a manual one. Now the last step is to tap on Confirm Cancellation. And that is how you can easily cancel your premium subscription of LinkedIn. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.